Hey everyone, how's it going? Zach here, and just want to give you guys a quick update on the Comanche. Lots happened, so let's go ahead and get started. So, we've already got the LS installed, so it's a aluminum 5.3, aluminum heads. Got all the wiring done. Yeah, it's a little dark in here. Let me plug it in the light. Okay, so get the got the engine installed already. Pretty much all the wiring's done. Still got to throw the battery in, battery box. Got the junction block over there. I've got the fuse panel here. This is just gonna be for engine stuff. The Comanche still has the internal under the firewall, or on the other side of the firewall, fuse panel for like lights and interior work and stuff like that. Still got to hook up the rest of the exhaust. Once I do that, I can throw the O2 sensor in. This was just so I could get some brake fluid out because I got another thing going on over there. Radiator is all in, mounted. I still got to figure out what I'm going to do as far as like bumper, because I know this is probably going to hang down just a touch. So we'll figure out where the factory bumper kind of hangs out. This should kind of pull in fresh air as well. I do want to eventually make a shroud around the back of it. But this actually should be in the grill, which would be cool. So we have this radiator. It's a Summit radiator. It came with a cap and a neck. So this cap is going to be the one routing to the coolant bottle, which is a brand new coolant bottle. And then I'll have a higher pressure rated cap here, so this one technically won't be used. It should use the pressure rating off of this to fill and pull from the coolant bottle. All right, and then we got some Barnes four-wheel drive spring mounts for the Dana 44 that came with this truck. We're going to be swapping it from a spring under to a spring over to get the lift that I want, at least to start with. Get the axle out, obviously. So we'll be actually doing that today, this morning. I'm going to clean up the axle and put some new spring mounts on it. Yeah, I got the seats in there. So the seats are here. So I'm going to end up redoing this floor. I don't like it as much because they actually make whole floor panel replacements for Comanches now. So this has a whole brand new floor on the passenger side. The whole panel. So I'll be end up doing that again on this driver's side eventually. Get the new brake pedal for the automatic. Got the shifter installed and adjusted. I ended up having to make my own rod for it. I've got the Novak adapter, got the 231 there. Got the 231. I already have new control arms and all that stuff, so the front's going to be done. I'd like to get this done today so I can measure for a drive shaft and get that ordered. Let's see. I'm going to end up pulling the transmission and transfer case back out. I kind of wanted to just clean the tunnel and paint it while I'm already there, and then I'll seam seal the weld underneath for the floor. Ooh, and then I have new tires and wheels mounted. They are a 285/75/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. Got a pretty good deal on them because the AT4Ws are out now. So that's what's going to be going on here. Realistically, I'm going to be doing a lot of driving between trails and stuff, and I typically like ATs over MTs for that kind of stuff, obviously. All right, well, yeah, there's the little update for right now. Still making progress. I got a lot of parts sitting in the kitchen. And here, I got parts up there. I got all kinds of stuff in here. So yeah, there's a little update. It's coming along. I'd really love to finish it, or at least be able to drive it before summer ends. So time to get started on today. See you guys.